love Hello Kitty so much because she's so cute. She's cute, but she wears that polka dotty ribbon, and she got My Little Pony. That's the new character. So let's go remove it out. Let's go remove it out. Oh, you're done. Woo! Ah! Something fell out. What's this? Right, let's put it there. So put this on the back. Put it on the back. Okay. Don't remove it yet. I'm gonna get the scissors. Snap. Snap. Whoop. Snap, stamp, snap, snap, and snap. There. I cut the band, so we have this nice, cute fan. Show the fan. Show the fan. Show the fan. So here's the